You ever wonder what it really feels like to be loved by someone? Not just liked, not just wanted, but loved for real. Here are 7 ways it feels when someone truly loves you. 1. It feels like peace after the storm. It's when you finally exhale and realize you don't have to fight anymore. They calm your chaos. Their presence feels like home, quiet, steady, safe. 2. It feels like being seen. They notice the things nobody else does. Your habits, your moods, your little details. You don't have to explain yourself, they just get you. 3. It feels like the small stuff suddenly matters. A drive-safe text. A call just to hear your voice. They show love in small ways, and that's what makes it real. 4. It feels like being chosen again and again. Not just when it's easy, but when you're distant, quiet, or complicated. They stay. They choose you, not for what you give, but for who you are. 5. It feels like healing. You start to realize love doesn't fix you. It helps you grow. It makes your scars softer, your heart lighter. You stop running from your past and start walking toward your future. 6. It feels like becoming yourself again. Love doesn't change you, it reminds you who you are. When someone truly loves you, you start to see yourself through their eyes. And suddenly, you believe you're enough. 7. It feels like hope. After everything you've been through, real love feels like sunrise after a long night. It tells you, you can start over. Because one day, someone will love you so deeply that all your heartbreaks will finally make sense. That's what it feels like to be loved by someone. Not perfect, not easy, but real. And trust me, when you find it, you'll know. If this touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Someone out there might need to hear this too.